Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glam. I do beauty videos and DIYs and stuff like that. So today I'm coming at you because you guys have been begging and asking me, how do you make the lip gloss base? It's super simple, you guys. I know it's taken me a long time to upload this video. I've just been busy with my little toddler. If you don't know, I have a baby girl. She's 1 year old. And yeah, so I've been chasing her around everywhere. That's why it's taking me so long to make this video. But I'm going to make this quick and short. So first off, before I even get to the base, where you can buy the lip gloss tubes is AliExpress. If you type in empty lip gloss tubes, bulk, a bunch of manufacturers will come up. And then you just pick one. Pick one. Make sure you research because there are different sizing. There's like 8 milliliters, there's 3 milliliters, there's so many. So just choose what you think is best for you. There's really pretty packaging and then there's plain packaging. The pretty packaging will cost a little bit more. Just plain black and clear tubes will be cheaper. That's just it. Okay, so to the lip gloss base. Now, like I said, it's really simple to make this lip gloss base. I should have been uploaded this video. I've just been lagging it, like high-key lagging it. But let's just get to it. To make this lip gloss base, basically, it's easy. It's super easy. It's actually basically pre-made for you. Sorta pre-made for you. So what I use is this right here. It's called Versagel. It's by TKB Trading. I'll leave the link down below. This is the 4-ounce bag. It's really cheap, but high quality ingredients. So it's not sticky or it's not nasty and none of that. So it's really high quality. It's made in the USA, which is just a plus to me. Because I wouldn't want to buy ingredients that come from China and places like that. No offense to you guys that live in China, any of that. I'm just personal preference. But it's called TKB Gloss Base. It's the Versagel 750 ME. Now, this lip gloss base is pre-made, but what I highly suggest, with this bag, I believe you can make 10, 15 tubes of lip gloss. This is the 4-ounce bag. It only costs around $5-6. That's cheap, right? You guys probably thought it was going to be super expensive, but it's actually really cheap. But what I do suggest is you buy this other product called TKB Oil Fusion. And this is the 2 fluid ounce. Now, per 2 fluid ounce, you need a bag. So a 4-ounce bag, 2 fluid ounce, that's all you need together. And what this does, it thins out the product so it's not super thick, because this is super thick. It's very thick. It's hard to get out the bag when you're squeezing it. And this actually thins it down a lot, and you get 2 to 3 times the amount of lip gloss is made if you add the TKB oil. The TKB Oil Fusion is, I think, around $5 or $6, but it might be cheaper than that. Don't quote me on that because I'm not sure. I haven't been on the website for a long time. But this also has the preservative in it. So if you're using the preservative, if you're using this, the TKB Oil Fusion, you won't have to preserve your lip glosses. Okay, so say somebody applies their lip gloss and their lips are wet, and then they stick the wand back into their tube of lip gloss, and then the wetness or water gets into the lip gloss. It could create mold and bacteria and all that, and you do not want that. And the life shelf for Versagel is indefinite. I can't say that word. It's forever. Okay, it will never go bad. Even if you open it, it won't go bad. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it spoiling or anything like that, like a time frame of using it, nothing like that. But definitely get the TKB Oil Fusion. I really think you should, because a lot of girls, you'll see other girls making lip glosses on YouTube and they don't use the TKB Oil Fusion, I get kind of confused because I'm like, this has the preservative in it and it thins it out, so you get 2 to 3 times as much lip glosses made with just one, spend the extra $3-5, whatever it is. I think it's $3-5. So basically, you just need $10 to make your own lip gloss. Legit. If you don't want to buy tubing and all of that, just $10. How like easy is that? A third ingredient you can buy. It's not really, well, technically it is an ingredient. It's called flavoring oil. They have, I believe, strawberry, vanilla. I knew that's the only two flavors that TKB Trading sells, but they might sell other now. I'm not sure, but I use the vanilla in mine. It smells so good when you add this. So good. And one thing I forgot to mention, so this is the 2 fluid ounces of TKB Oil Fusion, and this is a 4-ounce bag. So you only need 2 fluid ounces, so the whole bottle for this 4-ounce bag. Okay, so say you only want to make half of your lip gloss bag, only use half of the TKB Oil Fusion. Okay, just letting you guys know. Alright, and I think that's about it. So I'll leave the link to TKB Trading down in the description box. Yeah, that's how you make lip gloss. Like, legit easy, right, you guys? Like, that's so easy. Like, there's no way you can mess this up. Get the Versagel, which is now called TKB Gloss Base, I believe. Yes. And then get the TKB Oil Fusion. And you'll have lip gloss. And they actually ship really fast. TKB Crane, they ship actually really fast. I think you'll get your products within like a week. Unless you choose Express, which is, I think it's $4 extra or something like that. And the shipping's pretty cheap also. I think it's the amount of products you order or the weight of your products that you order, if that makes sense. I believe it's $3.50. If you don't order that much stuff, it's like $3.50 for shipping and get it like in a week. Like, that's worth it, you guys. Alright, so just these ingredients. I'm sorry it's taking me so long to upload this video. I've just been dealing with my baby, Abella. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to make the lipstick base. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and share the video, guys. Yeah, I think that's about it. Bye!